Madison. It's Mr. Marshall. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to use the O.R.E.O format to create a series of paragraphs. Using this format can help you organize your ideas in a clear way that creates a cohesive piece of writing. So we're going to imagine that the structure of an opinion essay is like an O.R.E.O. The hard cookie on the top and the bottom is your introduction and it's your conclusion. And the icing, the middle part, those are your body paragraphs. So what does it stand for? Opinion, reason, example, or evidence. Either one is fine. And opinion. So what I've done here is I've put together this sort of outline that I'm just going to walk you through really quickly. And I've made a Google Doc so you can actually fill in the outline right on the Google Doc. And if you take the time to do this, the writing part is easy. You're going to begin it with your topic, whatever that is. So just introduce it. Introduce what you're going to be talking about, but don't give the opinion right away. Then the next sentence is going to be your opinion, and then you can have the third sentence or third and fourth sentence with outlining clearly your 3 reasons. To do our body paragraphs, begin the first body paragraph by stating your reason. That's your topic sentence. The next few sentences are going to be where you introduce pieces of evidence. Maybe it's a quotation or specific examples, and use details. Use specific examples as much as you can, because that's going to make your evidence stronger. And then at the very end, the concluding sentence, you're going to make a connection between that reason and your opinion. And so what you've done there with that one paragraph, you've introduced the reason, you've used it, you've explained it, and then you've connected it. Now the conclusion, we want to restate the opinion. Right away in that first sentence, restate it in different words. And you, even in that same sentence or in another one, you want to recap reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. And then in that last sentence, give us something more. Ask the question, so what? Keep your sentences short. Make each sentence do one thing, put a period, then write another sentence that does another thing. Hopefully that helps.